Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to connect headphones to a laptop. This will be an easy computer tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this pair of headphones right here and have this laptop right over here. I'm going to be connecting the two. Now, what you want is a pair of headphones that has a cord like this at the end. So these headphones are connected to this cord, and at the end of the cord is this little piece right here. And this actually has a built-in microphone on it as well, but we're just focusing on the headphones. So it's going to look like this, okay? And the number, it might have a different number of lines on it because that all depends on if it has a microphone or not. But like I said, we're just focusing on the headphones, not the microphone. So we're just going to be looking for a cord like this that has a jack like this at the end of it. That's what I should be calling it. Now, what you want to look for on the side of your laptop is the equivalent port where this can plug into. Okay, so if you look on this laptop right over here, you can see that on this side over here, it has a port right over there. And if you look really closely, you can see that it shows a little headphone symbol. I'm not sure if the camera's picking this up, but it shows a little headphone symbol right over there and also a little microphone symbol. So this is a combo port for headphones and a microphone. But like I said, we're just focusing on the headphones. In some laptops, there's going to be one port for the headphones and microphone. In other laptops, you're going to have two separate ports. One's going to be for the headphone, one's going to be for the microphone. You want to look for the headphone port, whether it's individual or combined with a microphone port. So look for the one that has the headphone symbol on it. Take your headphones and you want to plug it in just like that. Plug it in to the laptop just like that. And at that point, your headphones should work. Now, on some laptops, it might ask you a question as to whether you plugged in just headphones or headphones and a microphone or just a microphone, because it wants to know what to register out of what you plugged in, whether it's the headphones or the microphone and so forth. And on some operating systems, it's going to potentially install some sort of driver for the software to allow it to work properly. But for the most part, you should be able to plug in the headphones and they should work. Whether you have to, click one thing to select what you've plugged in, or let it install a driver for a few moments, or they just work. It should be pretty straightforward once you've plugged them in, how to get them to actually work. And then your volume should then come through the headphones. That's it. That is how to connect headphones to a laptop, a super easy computer tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.